carne asada tacos with French fries. The tacos is the flavor or the seasoning. This is awesome. This is so good. You can actually finish it like this with just French fries or even add with rice. This is a good meal. So here, let's start. All right, here we have the taco mix. We have the Eden cheese, but we're testing it out, but we might not use it. Some tomatoes, red bell pepper, and whole onion chopped up. Now we start with the fries. We get the oil hot. Once it's hot enough, we pour batches of French fries. We actually do it half cooked and then refry it again so that it's extra crispy. That's what we do. All right. Now while that goes, let's heat up this pan and oil it up and get it ready so that we can start saute and also all the ground meat and tomatoes. All right. Now it's smoking. We start with the onion first. All right. Yes. So you can hear the sizzle. It's so good. Okay. There. Now we mix it up real quick. This way, every single piece of the onion gets oiled up. This way, it cooks evenly, and doesn't don't get too burned up. Yes, nice and good. All right. Now we wait a bit, just a little, and then when it's ready, now we add a bit of garlic. 1 to 2 cloves of garlic is enough as long as it's crushed. This is about 1 clove of garlic or 2 cloves. You can add more if you want, which however you wish, like having more garlic, that's fine. Right, mix it well. Now let's get it. Now it's starting to smell really good. Yep, we keep mixing it this way. It gets oiled up really good. Once it's good, now we can turn in the ground pork. It's about 1 kilo of ground pork. As you can see, it's almost getting brown. There you go. Okay. Now we actually constantly have to mix this because it clumps up as soon as it's getting cooked. So you don't want any clumped up meat or like bundles of it, right? So we gotta make sure it's getting broken apart or pulled apart continuously. You see when we turn it and it's starting to get cooked a little bit, you'll see the clumps. There you see it's clumping up, so you have to break it apart again. Make sure everything is individualized. Yes, carefully mix it some more. So you can see it's still clumping up, right? But as soon as once it's starting to get cooked, the clumping up is gonna be lesser. Here, there's better now. Now we put the tomatoes in. We cook it for a while. Then next is the bell pepper. So we gotta do this quickly. Mix it good like this. Yes. The ground pork, onion, and garlic is already too good. It's already good enough as is. But hey, let's get the bell peppers in. Now it's starting to get more aroma. Starting to smell really good. We lower the heat. We continue to mix it and cook it. Now here, the sachet calls for 1 cup of water. You dissolve the whole sachet. So with that, this is 1 cup of water with a taco mix dissolved in it. Oh, I can smell it now. This is so good. Oh yes, the taco smell is just, you would want it anytime. It's good. Now we constantly mix it just to make sure all the flavors get into every bit of the meat or every single meat gets all flavored up really good. We mix it constantly because if you don't, you're gonna start burning up the underside or things will get overcooked unequally on each part or on portions of it. So you gotta constantly mix it this way so it's gonna get cooked nicely. Now it's getting there. You can see it's boiling up, starting to secrete more liquid. All right, this looks good now. All right, now we pour it to the French fries. Here's the French fries is all done. It's all crispy up, like it's twice fried. Oh yeah, would you look at that? Let's put some more. All right. this is gonna be so, so, so awesome. All right, then we pour the rest of the pan onto the fries. Here it is, all covered up. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, yeah. Now, this is delicious. All right, this is gonna be our lunch. So, hey, now we have to serve it at the table, a dining table. Also, you can click here for the other one, but look at this. Oh, this is so good, right? Oh, this I can have this with no rice, just this, but I'll finish it up the whole thing. So if you enjoyed this, subscribe. This way you get updated when we have a new video uploaded.